Hi friends, so this is welcome to Easy IAS. Now in Mint there is some important point, okay, under that health and education and the present situation from we can say that health crisis, okay. So under this topic, these are some suggestions given by the Prime Minister, that Manmohan Singh, ex-Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, suggests 5 points to tackle COVID-19 crisis in letter to Modi. So he has given a letter to the Modi, okay, Modi ji, that is the present PM, okay. So what are that is that, okay, Singh in the letter suggested an expansion of COVID vaccination program further as it is a big part of pandemic management. So it is a big part of pandemic management. He also suggested the center should tell COVID vaccine order supplies for the months how vaccines will be distributed to states. So he has to tell to states. So he is pointing out that this is the center's responsibility to tell the states how distributed this vaccinations and what are the crises, what are the ways of getting this vaccination, and how much they spent and how much they are importing, and so this is all needed for the to tell to state governments and states, and of course that is the peoples, okay. So this is what he wants to say, PM Modi ji. Okay, so he wrote, he must resist temptation to look at absolute numbers vaccinated and instead, okay, instead focus on percentage of a population vaccinated. So he wrote, we must resist temptation to look at absolute numbers vaccinated and instead focus on percentage of population vaccinated. He also suggested that center should tell COVID vaccine order supplies for next 6 months how vaccines will be distributed to states. So for the next 6 months he has to tell the states how they are distributing, the way of they are distributing he wants to tell. This is he is suggesting, okay. So Singh's letter to Modi's come at a time when India is reeling under the second wave of COVID-19, hitting record high number of daily positive cases for the past few days. A number variant which has a so-called double mutation, this is called as double mutation, is thought to be fueling India's deadlier new wave of infections that has made it the world's second worst hit in country, okay. So and there are many things we must do to fight the pandemic, but a big part of this effort must be ramping up the vaccination program. I have suggestions in this regard. In making them, I wanted to emphasize that I am pushing them forward for your kind consideration and a spirit of a constructive cooperation. This is called as constructive cooperation is needed, okay. Constructive cooperation in which I have always believed and acted upon Singh, okay. So he is saying like this. So here are the excerpts of the key points suggested by Singh in a letter to Modi, okay. So what are that is the government should publicize what are the form orders for doses placed on different vaccine producers and accepted for delivery over the next 6 months. If we want to vaccinate a target number in this period, we should place enough orders in advance so that producers can adhere to an agreed schedule on supply. And second point is the government should indicate how this expected supply will be distributed across states based on a transparent formula. The central government could restrain 10% for distribution based on energy needs, but other than that, states should have a clear signal of likely availability so that they can plan their rollout. And third point is the states should be given some flexibility to define categories of frontline workers who can be vaccinated even if they are below 45 years of age. For example, states may want to designate school teachers, bus, three-wheeler and taxi drivers, municipal panchayat staff and etc. and possibly lawyers who have to attend courts as frontline workers. They can then be vaccinated even if they are below 45 years. Okay. Then fourth point is that over the past few decades, India has emerged as the largest vaccine producer in the world, thanks to policies adopted by the government and robust intellectual property protection. The capacity is largely in the private sector. At the large of a public health emergency, the government of India to do so as well quickly. Fifth point is that since domestic supplies are limited, any vaccine that has been cleared for use by credible authorities such as the European Medical Agency or the US FDA should be allowed to be imported without insisting on domestic bridging trials. We are facing an unprecedented emergency, and I understand experts are of the view that this relaxation is justified in an emergency. The relaxation could be for a limited period during which the bridging trials experts of the view that this relaxation is justified in an emergency. The relaxation could be for a limited period during which the bridging trials could be completed in India. All consumers of such vaccines could be duly cautioned that these vaccines are being allowed for use based on the approval granted by the relevant authority abroad. Okay, so stressing on the points, the former PM of India also mentioned that currently India has vaccinated only a small fraction of its population. I am certain that with the right policy design, we can do much better and very quickly. He concluded the letter hoping that the government will accept these suggestions immediately and act on them promptly. Meanwhile, as many as 261,500 more people tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the cumulative cases to 1,47,088 88,109, said the Union Health Ministry. On Sunday morning, the country has been reporting over 2 lakh new cases for the last 4 days. The number of new fatalities has reached a record high to meet 1,501 more people succumbing to the diseases in the last 24 hours, with this cumulative death toll in the country has reached 1,77,150 rupees. Okay, then vaccinations in India, the country has so far administered 12 crore 26 lakhs 22,590 anti-vaccinations, etc. Okay, COVID doses. Okay, so the cumulative number of COVID-19 vaccine doses administered in the country nearly reached 12 crore on Saturday. So it's already crossed 12 crore on Saturday. The inoculation drive in India was rolled out on 16 January with HCWs getting inoculated, and the vaccination of the FLWs started on February. Okay, the next phase of COVID-19 vaccination commenced on 1st March for those who are above 60 years of age, and for people aged 45 and above, the specific period, comorbid and conditions, etc. So, okay, specified comfort, okay, comorbid conditions. Okay, India extended the drive to include everybody aged 45 last week. India's capital New Delhi recorded 25,500 coronavirus cases in 24 hours period. with about 1 in 3 people tested returning a positive result. Its chief minister said, urging the federal government to provide more hospital beds to tackle the crisis. Okay, so this is all about ex Prime Minister Sri Manmohan Singh suggested 5 points to and tackle COVID-19 crisis. This is about COVID-19 crisis, okay, and letter to Modi. So he's saying that what he's saying that first he raised the issue is he has to tell everything about how the vaccination is distributed to states. Okay, this is the first responsibility of Indian Prime Minister. What is he suggested? And second one is that he has to identify the vaccination doses, how people benefited with this dosage, and how are the waiting for the doses. So exact information is needed for everyone in this country. So finally he is saying like that. Okay, Jai Hind. Thanks friends.